we are talking about the Tesla of China. So this manufacturer, or this new company, I guess, called NIO, has taken is pretty much taking Wall Street by surprise. We're going to be talking about it here in today's video. So I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. So here is NIO's cars. It looks like they do have a little bit of a more luxurious type cars compared to Tesla. Tesla pretty much wants to get it down to where everybody can, afford to drive their cars, have that car priced around 35,000, and they do have some supercars and some other nicer models, but overall Tesla wants to actually help make a difference, in fossil fuel pollution. Same with this car company, but this one looks like it's going to be a little bit of a futuristic and a luxurious type car. As you guys can see just by looking at these are definitely plans for the future, and pretty much, let's just see what's going on, I guess. All right, let's exit out of here. All right, so this is NIO's stock chart. So it went public, like I said, last September, and it caught fire. This stock, I traded it many, many times. I actually bought it at the open, and around $6, I believe I hopped in, and now I sold near around 8. Which was a pretty good profit, but it was taking everybody by surprise. Everybody was pretty much buying and holding, and then as you guys can see, we had a huge sell-off that following week, and it pretty much just shows you that what pictures and news can do to a stock. This had a lot of nice pictures and news for it, and so a lot of investors actually bought it. A lot of people actually are still holding the stock. I actually waited for it to, I traded it, for a nice little scalp, and I actually am looking to buy near the lows as, as kind of a swing trade to see if we can get a pop back up to around that, 788 mark would be key. But that is my trade opportunity. So now let's talk about the long-term play on NIO. NIO is an electric car company, and they are the the Tesla of China. They believe in very, very similar things. As you guys know, Elon Musk, very smart guy, loves that futuristic technology type deal. Same with NIO. NIO is 100% tech, as you guys can see just by looking at the cars. They like that futuristic type deal, and I actually pulled up an article here, and they say NIO says it has sold 3,350 their Model ES8s. So that's going to be the first volume of their manufactured vehicle, and they plan to launch a second vehicle, the ES6, in June or July of 2019. So this coming up, they're going to launch another car, and it's going to be a very, very pretty much a good thing. This company is going to have very similar problems to Tesla, such as manufacturing, production issues, stuff like that. I can almost guarantee it, just because they're literally almost an identical company. The only difference is the CEOs and the location, pretty much. So just by judging from that, I believe this company could have a possible upwards play of maybe $100 in the next couple of years. So with it being 635, many people could say, oh, well, this will be a good deal, but the stock does still have risk, so you always got to be careful of that. Just when this stock piped all the way up, NIO said it made 6.95 million of revenue. So that really doesn't have to do anything about that, but that was one of the main reasons why it pushed up, was what I was saying. That was their news. So pretty much just by that, it's a pretty good sign. judging Tesla, Tesla is just now profitable, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but Tesla is coming around, and a lot more investors, I guarantee, will hop on that bandwagon to see what it can do. Just because, where do you see the world in 15 or 20 years? I believe we're going to veer off from the fossil fuels. We're going to push more towards renewable resources. So, NIO, Tesla, all long-term plays, positive. Ford's releasing, I don't know how much they're putting into electric vehicles, but I know Ford is almost 100% sure. GM is. So all these companies want electric vehicles. They see that there's customers for it, and they want to please their customers pretty much. They don't want to, keep making really big cars and keep polluting the environment. They want to actually try to make a difference. So that's very, very cool. So all these companies, I believe, have a positive future. So let's see what happens. If you guys want to be part of the trading team here, part of this group chat, I'll put that in the link down below for you guys. So very, very cool things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you are new, comment if you are going to buy NIO or if you already have it. So that's it there. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the weekend. Take care.